Hello learners. In this session we will be discussing about the job of a proficient farm planner. So this enlisted 8 points are the jobs or roles and duties of a proficient farm planner. So the first job is formulation of the goals and objective of the firm. Here the firm means the farm business organization, and the objective of a farm business organization is effective utilization of the available resources and profit maximization. So once the plan is made, the farm planning is made, the objective is have to be set like effective utilization of the available resources and profit maximization. The second point is recognition and definition of the definition of problems of opportunity. So here in farm, whatever be the problem that have to be considered as an opportunity and solve these opportunities or consider these opportunities and find out a solution for this. These problems have to be taken or have to be considered as opportunity, and the problems have to be solved by finding out a solution. Third point is obtaining information and observation of relevant fact. This means obtaining information means collecting the information related to the all aspects related to the agricultural enterprises and farm business, and then the observation of the facts related to the agriculture and agribusiness have to be done, the enterprises have to be done. That is again a job of or the role of a proficient farm planner. Next, decision making, choosing the alternative. The farm planner have to have to develop decisions and have to make the decisions, and there will be alternative plans in all the things. So have to select the best possible plan which will be using the resources, the available resources, the limited resources will be utilized effectively and maximum output will be there. Choosing the best alternative. Then taking action means selecting the best plan. 6 point, bearing responsibility of decision of action taken. Now the planner, like whatever be happen, like if the plan went in a right manner by getting profit maximization, on if it went for loss also, the responsibility have to be taken by the planner, that whatever be the cause of the action done by him, he have to take the responsibility. Then evaluation of the outcome, what is the expenses, what are the receipts, what are the income, all those things from the farm have to be evaluated. And finally, specification and analysis of alternatives. If the plan A went wrong, what are the alternatives and what are the solutions, so that next time these drawbacks can be solved. These 8 points, these enlisted points are the jobs of a proficient farm planner. Since farm planning is much important topic under the farm business management or farm business organization, the role or the responsibilities of a farm planner is also very much important. So you have to go and understand this. If you feel any difficulty in understanding, get back to me, and thank you.